Who's that? Say hi, everyone. Happy July 4th from the Baking Diva. And I have my little friend here, Peewee girl. Now you know, those of you that watch my video hear birds chirping in the background, right, P? So I thought for those of you that haven't seen her, I would introduce her to you. We have had Peewee for, I don't even know, probably 35, 36 years, right, Peewee? We got you when you were a baby, and I bottle fed her. Of course, they do bond to one person, right, Peewee? Give me a kiss. And she only bonded to me. She doesn't let anybody else go near her. But anyway, I thought I'd bring her on the video with me today. Now, we celebrated 4th of July at a barbecue at a friend's house, and it was so nice of them to have invited us. My son and I went. You know, in 3 days, it will be 3 months already since my husband passed, and it just seems like it was just yesterday. So I was very grateful to be invited to the barbecue. It was nice to get out of the house, and they're such a lovely family that we had a really nice time. So I thought I would put some video clips on for you. I made some yummy 4th of July desserts, and one of our hosts loves to barbecue, so you'll see some of the things that he cooked up and some family and friends. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the video, right, Peewee? Say hi to them. Say hi. You're not going to say hi? She's a yellow-crowned Amazon. You want to go on my shoulder? She loves to go, and then she climbs behind. You want to go on my shoulder? Go ahead. She's a character. Say yay! She does talk. She says, want a cookie most of the time. Want a cookie? Want a cookie? Right, Peewee? Are you going to say it for them now? They want a cookie. You're not going to say want a cookie? No, she's shy. She says, I love you. Right? And she laughs and she coughs just like me. She's a character. So anyway, enough of that. You met Peewee. And now I'm going to have you meet some of my family and friends and see what a nice time we had at the barbecue, hosted by Tim and Patti Griffin. So here goes. Right, Peewee? Come on. Oh, stop that. Okay, well, here we are with the host and the hostess with the mostest, Patti and Tim Griffin.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
So nice of you to host this party today.
Thank you. It's nice of you to come.
Thanks for inviting me.
We're glad you came.
Good. Tim, let me tell you, you must be in a sweat. I never saw anybody roasting so many hot dogs, sausage, and hamburgers.
Got to make everybody happy.
I think you did. And
He's
Patti?
the king of hamburgers and hot dogs.
Oh, well, that's good. Mine was good.
Yeah,
I had a nice
makes a good hot
cheeseburger.
dog.
Yeah. And everything was really very, very
Patty
nice.
likes a good hot dog, let me tell you.
And Patti's a good host.
Thank you
And
very much.
people enjoying the day. We just ate, and oh, who do we have over here? That's my son-in-law, Jason. Hi, Jason.
Hello.
And moving right along. Hi.
Happy 4th.
Thank you.
Happy 4th of July.
Thank you. Everybody having a good time?
Happy 4th of July. Yeah, great time.
Alrighty.
Happy 4th of July.
Hi.
Happy 4th.
Oh, I like your top.
Thank you.
Hi.
Happy 4th.
Okay.
Jaden Marchand is there's a Matthias something. But Jaden Marchand went to Trinidad and Tobago and he's made their Olympic team. He's running in their 4x4 Wow. Bullish kid Ryan ran against at Nationals and he's in the Olympic 4x4.
Hi, everybody. Are you enjoying the picnic? Yeah. It's a hot day, right? But at least it didn't rain.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend. Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
There's Dawn over there. I think she was in the house for a few minutes cooling off, right?
Very hot.
Yeah. Patty said she's going to serve dessert in a little while, so she's got to call me because I have to go in and cut my red, white, and blue 4th of July cheesecake squares. Maybe you could come in and help?
Of course, I would love to.
Okay.
Because they have to pay.
We definitely have the fan outside blowing. Oh, the dog is enjoying it. Look at the doggy. He's enjoying the fan. And I have a good seat right here. I'm sitting right next to it so that cool air will blow on me. Woohoo! Hi, Rudy. You're being such a good little doggy. Are you having fun? Oh, you're not? You're leaving me? You want to go in? Are you hot, Rudy? Rudy! Taking a picture, I'm cutting the red, white, and blue cheesecake squares with Oreo bottoms. And then we're going to put a little whipped cream on the top and some sprinkles. So hopefully they're going to taste as good as they look. Look at that. Okay, woo.
All right.
On here. All right.
Wow.
See you later.
Hey, bye.
Bye. Here's Shelby. and Brian, and they flew in from Florida.
Yes, we did.
And they caught me decorating my July 4th cheesecake squares, and they offered to help. Don't they look delicious? Thank you, kids. Now let's go and enjoy them. Toodles.
It was
Okay, so they're all decorated, and I'm bringing the platter out for everybody to dive in.
really. It's probably a lot more expensive. Right now.
Okay, ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, Brian is videoing now. Look at these 4th of July cake pops I made, and they're funfetti inside.
Ooh.
So they are going out on the table now too. So see you later. There's Patty. We didn't get her in any videos
No, I
yet.
still don't want that to happen.
Yeah, she's trying a cake pop. She's doing the July 4th dance. Woo! Here's all the goodies on the dessert table. We have brownies. I think Dawn made these brownies, right? And there's cupcakes and sugar cookies. And there's my 4th of July cheesecake squares, cake pops with funfetti inside. Fruit. There's a pie over there. And oh, look how cute that is. A little 4th of July marshmallows, strawberries, and blueberries. Okay, time to dig in. Look at this. I never saw that happen before. It got so warm outside
They were melting.
that we had to bring the cake pops in, because look at it, slid woo, all the way down the stick into the bottom. So now they're in this house, nice and safe. As you can see, everyone cleared out. Everyone was sitting there. It was so pretty, and that yucky beetle of some sort is on the table. So, lickety split. Everyone disappeared.